All right, mis amigos. Hope you guys are all doing well today. Peace to everybody out there. So today we did a little shopping today, and we wanted to hop on here quickly and show you guys our haul from the market. And as you all know, we started going downtown to the market down there, San Benito it's called. So let's flip you guys around to my lovely, beautiful wife, and let's get at her, show you what our haul was with all the prices and everything. Also, if you're new to our channel, my name is Daryl, and my lovely wife is right over there, right there. And if you've not yet subscribed and you'd like to get more content like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button. All right, let's get at her. All right, let's get at her. Speak loudly.
Okay, so our procedure is I usually carry this light backpack, and we go through the vegetables first. And when we're done with buying our vegetables and we filled up this pack, then we go buy the meat. Daryl carries this, and we fill the meat in this cooler bag. So I'm just gonna go through quickly things we bought. So these, I believe they're called spring onions in English, cebollitos in Spanish, which is little onions, and lettuce. So this haul, these were 10 pesos each, and these were 20 pesos each for the lettuce.
10 pesos each for the green onions?
Yeah.
And 20 pesos each for the lettuce?
Yeah.
Perfecto.
Cauliflower and broccoli, I forget. It's on my phone.
Oh, 1 second, guys. Hold on tight. Just wait. Put you on pause.
For the broccoli and cauliflower.
So 80 pesos for the broccoli, cauliflower, so 40 pesos each?
I guess so.
Yeah, must be 40 pesos each for 1 head of broccoli, 1 head of cauliflower.
So at one vendor we got tomatoes. Here, I'll take it out. So 1 onion.
1 onion, jumbo onion.
2 peppers.
2 peppers.
1 zucchini.
Jumbo zucchini.
Fresh off the tree, limes.
Yeah, still got the stem on them.
3 of them.
Nice.
And then, oh, we squish the tomato. Use that first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 little tomatoes. And all of that was 50 pesos.
So 8 tomatoes, 2 peppers, 1 onions, 1 zucchini, 3 limes, 80 pesos. Good deal. Then we also got some honey this time, which we don't normally get.
100 pesos.
100 pesos, and that's 1 liter.
Plus,
of fresh
the same vendor,
organic honey.
we got the mixed vegetables were 40 pesos, 20 pesos each.
40 pesos each.
Bananas were 40 pesos.
So 40 pesos each for these, and the bananas were 40?
Yeah.
Seems a little expensive for the bananas. 40 pesos for 5 bananas. Okay, now we'll get on to the meat.
The meat, but no potatoes.
Yeah, no potatoes, just the meat.
Okay, so chicken, I got 2 kilograms of quarter chickens, so thigh and leg, and 1 kilogram of breasts.
Breasts.
And
Boneless, skinless breasts.
165 pesos.
165 for 3 kgs of chicken.
Beef,
And all the prices will be right up there in American and Canadian dollars. Right there
the beef,
for each item.
beef steak, 190 pesos for 1 kilogram.
190 pesos for a kilogram of steaks.
It's about 8 steaks.
Yeah, we got 8
They're
steaks.
pretty,
They're a little bit thin.
they're a little bit thin, but not as thin as what the locals usually get them.
Yeah, they like their steaks cut really, really thin here, like you would slice liver. Even thinner.
And so 3 kilos of pork, 2 kilos of ribs. We love the ribs. And a kilo of pork chops. And that was 380 pesos.
Yeah, he weighed it all at once, everything together, so the price was the same. So 3 kgs of pork was 380? 380 pesos.
And don't forget the parking, 20 pesos, and the car wash was 70 pesos after tip, every 115 pesos for parking and washing.
Yeah. So that's a good deal, 115 pesos, that's including the tip for parking and the car wash. We always get the young fellow to wash our car. Usually there's an older gentleman there, but he hasn't been there the last couple of times we've gone. So I believe that's it, my friends. That's it, that's all. Thank you so much for watching this video, and we hope it helps you guys out a little bit. And we find this the cheap way to shop in Merida versus going to Walmart or Cheddarari or Costco or Sam's Club. This is a lot cheaper. It's a little bit of a drive to get downtown, but it's well worth it, I think, to go down there and buy the groceries, and you're supporting local. All this meat is fresh from the farm, and same with the vegetables, is all fresh from the farm, so you can't get any more organic than that. You know,
Total was 1,220 pesos.
1,220 pesos the total. So that's it, my friends. Have yourselves a blessed day. God bless everybody out there. And as always, peace on earth. And remember, if you like our content even just a little bit, please give us a thumbs up. It really helps us out a great deal. You would help support our channel. And we need all the support we can get. Take care, my friends. Adios.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you, I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure. But one day I'll be yours again. One day I'll be yours. One day I'll be yours. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. Life changes just open the door. One thing's certain, I'll always be yours.